Hi, so I'm sending you this message just to give you a little more information on the program that your son or daughter was interested in. So I work for Stealth, right? Education startup that is facilitating a program that will allow your child to really hone in on a lot of their core skills and prepare them for what life is and how to really navigate some of those hurdles, right? So it differs from a traditional education program, education system simply because it's a condensed program that really focuses on those key life skills. So it's a 6 week online program, summer program, and it's targeted for kids who show a lot of drive, openness, and curiosity to learn, right? And it is really to really zero in on some of those core features that they have and really nurture it and make it better, right? So what we do here is that we have a condensed system, right? That takes the form of continuous support on Discord, um, a lot of recordings, some 2 hours of recordings of interactive workshops held by professionals at industry level, MBA level, right? That they have access to, and a network of people who would have gone through the program and prospered that they have at their side to really guide them through these next steps, right? So what we are trying to do with all of that is we are trying to empower strong-minded, strong-willed, creative thinkers like your child, right? With one, the skills that they would find value with in the future, right? That aren't really taught in school. So I talk about like problem solving, creativity, empathy, right? That would eventually apply to even those non-soft skills onto traditional skills that they would do, like the science, literature, medicine. Because having that strong base really enables them to be better, right? Second thing we work on is the mindset, right? Because what you need to do, you need to be able to foster a strong, gritty mindset that will allow them to understand that failure sometimes happens and it's just about how you overcome that, right? And really pushing them to try to focus on the how rather than the what. So it really changes them and makes them into some really creative thinkers, and that will allow them to prosper when they would leave this program, right? Because at the end of it, you're gonna have a super confident, creative individual that is able to work in teams, able to adapt to failure and change, able to solve really complex problems, right? And make decisions based on uncertainty like there is in the real world, because there are no right answers in the real world. There is only um, challenges and adjustments, right? So I hope that this really answers, a lot of your questions that you have, right? And also to let you know, at the end of it, we really help them um, come together and really kind of sift through what they may have as a career, and then what we help them do, we help them be able to then build their own startup, right? So at the end of this program, your child would have built a working business that solves a problem for real customers. So we are all about the application, all about making them better, and all them feeding into their confidence. So I hope this helps and look forward to hearing from you soon.